Today we're going to install this illuminated welcome light from a new company called Hansshow. These are illuminated welcome lights that go on the door sills. Hansshow sent me these to install, test out. They are battery operated and magnetic, so this should be a super simple installation process. If you want to purchase a set of these for yourself, the link is in the description, and if you use the promo code SPINNER, you'll receive an additional 20% off of your purchase. Let's see what they look like. They're LED, don't know, scuff. It's a different language for me, but hey, who knows? We're gonna open up the box. Looks like we have some instructions here, and these are the actual items. If I can open them here, they're chrome, light up and say Model 3 on them. They've got some protective covering on them, so I'm sure that we'll take that off. Magnetic, so that they should just stick to the door sill. And somewhere on here they've got a charge port, but I will look at that in the oh, right there, micro USB charge port right there. Let's see if there's anything of interest in this bag here. We have instructions, looks like we've got some stickers, and we've got the micro USB cable for recharging purposes. So let's take a look at how these pieces install. Now, if you have this rubber piece that's already on your door sill, I'm going to recommend that you take that off. I'm going to keep it there for now, but if to make the magnet stick appropriately, it kind of needs to be there. It kind of will go flat and flush. This is a nice flat surface without it, but it's going to go here. Now on this button right here is where you can control the different light patterns. There are a lot of different light patterns to choose from. I cycled through a few of them this morning to show them at night. And if you want, you can put this here with that rubber mat, but you're going to want to put some stickers on the end. It comes with a package that includes some stickers that can go on it, that can go under there to have it be solid. But without them there, it kind of wobbles, which is why I recommend you take this off. But it should just magnetize right there. And then you've got this chrome piece that lights up. It'll say Model 3. You can also get it with the T logo. Then for the back door, I don't have that rubber piece, and I put this here. This is why, again, you're going to want the stickers, because it flexes. This isn't totally flat, and so it doesn't get the full purchase on the metal because this part is above it. So the Hansshow recommends using the stickers to hold it down. Now, I have no idea how long the batteries will work. I know that the batteries have lasted at least a week because I haven't had to recharge them, and it's bright daylight right now, so you're not going to really see that it is lit up. But you could also put it here if you just wanted the light, but again, it's not perfectly flat. So this is where it goes. You install the stickers there if you want this in your car. So those are the Hansshow illuminated welcome lights. If you would like to get a set of these for your own car, the link is down in the description. If you enter the promo code SPINNER, you'll receive an additional 20% off of your purchase. Thanks for watching.